My name is Eric Jensen. In the live online workshop on evaluating impact with surveys, you'll learn about some of the highlights, the most important things to keep in mind when you're designing impact evaluation surveys. We will then go step by step through the process of how you set up a high quality survey for impact evaluation. This includes the opportunity to develop your survey questions in a supportive environment with expert feedback, and also with the opportunity to discuss your ideas with other professionals who are also working on impact evaluation surveys. In addition to the live online workshop, you will also have access to an online self-paced course. And in this self-paced course, you'll be able to get into topics like when it is and is not appropriate to use survey methods for your evaluation. Also, when should you be using one kind of question or another kind of question? And how can you design good closed-ended survey questions and response options? We'll also talk about pilot testing and ensuring that the quality of your survey is up to a high standard. So you have all of these kinds of topics that you'll learn about in the self-paced course to supplement your learning in the live online workshop.